introduce this meeting proper, the National Organizing Secretary, Honorable Captain Umar Baturi. NOS, please.
The Acting National Chairman BOT, our distinguished Excellencies led by Dr. Abdullah Mohammed, Minority Leader of the Senate, Minority Leader of the House, our dear National Chairman South, NWC members, State Chairman, ex-officials, our senior leader, former Senate President, Bukola Saraki. We are all welcome to the 100 NEC meeting as scheduled for 30th June 2025. We are here to deliberate on issues affecting the party and the way forward. My next assignment is to greet all members who are here. We have our national officers 25, governors 10, state chairman 37, senate leaders 19, House of Representatives 22, former principal officers 31, former governors 33, former NWC members who are NEC members 34, Board of Trustees 56, National Guest Official 30, totaling 320 members accredited for this meeting. Mr. Chairman, that's what we're here.
Thank you very much, National Organizing Secretary. On this note, distinguished NEC members of our great party, you are welcome to the 100 NEC meeting holding right now in the NEC hall of our great party, People's Democratic Party. The next on the agenda will be to invite the acting national chairman for his welcome and keynote address. National Chairman, sir.
Your Excellencies, Executive Governor, Adamawa, Para, Oyo, and Plateau, the Deputy National Chairman South, and other members of NWC, the Chairman of BOT, the Secretary of BOT, the caucus of the National Assembly, members, leaders of the National Assembly, members, their present, other BOT members, members of NEC. Let me stand on the already established protocol. I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to the 100th NEC meeting. When the NOS was introducing, accredited members, and you mentioned 100 NEC, I saw some people clapping. I want to use this opportunity to express to you that there was a thought before now that this meeting will be an extended focus, and you can see various adverts flying here and there. The beauty of our party is that we have always handled our problem our own ways. So after due consultations with our leaders, the governors, leaders of other organs, we say for the synopsis, even though we've selected this NEC and we had challenges, but this is our own NEC. And this NEC is going to deliberate on only one item so that we don't run foul of the other regulators masculine or asking us to do this or that. It is in this NEC that we will discuss when to hold the second NEC going to convention in the most lawful and profound manner. We'll discuss that and we'll issue the date when we conclude this meeting. I also want to use this opportunity to remind us that as party faithful, we all have responsibility to this party. The issue at hand, which created a lot of tension and division within us, has been discussed and we have taken a position. Unfortunately, the agreement to allow the National Secretary to step in, which has been actually prompted by our meeting with the NEC, which would be discussed. Okay, I will leave that. But all the same, I've already said it. It took a painful decision. It was a painful decision. Okay. I just want to stop here because maybe when we finish our meeting, we'll brief the media appropriate. I think I will use this opportunity to welcome you again. And also, I will still use the opportunity to call on IT faithful to stop arbitrarily the marketing of this party. I want the media to know, if you so much love this party, I think it is now time for you to devote your energy in propagating the beauty of this party and stop the marketing the party. Unless if you are one of those that have been contracted to come and destroy our party. I want to say it clearly here, enough is enough. Thank you.
PDP, power to the people. As a national chairman, welcome, drive to 100 NEC. We take voices, way of goodwill to 100 NEC, starting from the chairman of PDP state chairman, former House of Reps member, Honorable Austin Wajbu, on behalf of the state chairman.
Your Excellencies,
No, but the DOT, the leaders have to speak first. No, that's not. We follow the.
I'm sorry. Before I was asked to go from myself, I now have the agenda to start the remarks from the chairman of the board of trustees, former Senator.
PDP, power to the people. The acting national chairman of a great party. The chairman governors forum and our distinguished governors.
Two. Let's take that one.
Bringing us here today in the spirit of the People's Democratic Party. I rise very if the PDP is dead, but the board has always contended that this party will never die. No matter what our detractors feel, this party and the PDP will never die. I want to thank the National Working Committee of our party for coming together once again, believing that Nigerians have enormous faith and hope in PDP. So I thank you, our able acting national chairman, not minding we shall survive. We shall survive. the god of politics is in this party. If it is Allah, the Allah of politics is in this party. For anybody, any other party to succeed, we have to release our God to bless it. But our God knows that PDP is the beacon of hope for this country. What is happening here today will shock so many people. I'm sure they will start planning again to bring problems. NEC, please don't allow a crack anymore. But once they have seen us now coming together, they say, what? What happened? Who is the native doctor? Because they don't believe in God. Who is the native doctor that made this possible? They will start doing something to destabilize us, which we will not agree. So whatever we are doing here today, we are doing because of our service to this nation, because our service to the suffering masses. That's why we have all sacrificed one thing or the other. So I thank you so much for coming. Thank Nigerians for their support, and we hope to take over power in 2027.
Thank you very much, sir. Indeed, PDP is the beacon of hope in Nigeria, and the PDP will never die. We hear from the Upper Governor, 45 Chairman of the PDP Governors Forum, Excellency Senator Baba.
Thank you. Your Excellency, our acting national chairman, Your Excellency, the former Senate President and Chairman of the BOT, and his Secretary, the Deputy National Chairman, South, our leaders and family members of the party that are here, my working colleagues, the governors of the PDP, former Senate President Bukola Saraki, distinguished members of NEC, especially the chairman of my other constituency, the chairman of the Ministers Forum, I was recognizing, distinguished members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I protest. Chairman of the Goma Governors Forum, where I will soon be there. Thank you, my elder brother. I'm happy to stand after listening to the questions of the party, the leader and chairman of the BOT. This is the miracle of the PDP, a party that has history, that has the pedigree and the human capital to deliver Nigeria. We have been engrossed in controversies and challenges not created by us, but created for us. And we have been navigating unlike the other parties, irrespective of the manifestations and the perceptions there, we are the party to beat. The gain of leaving us, people leaving the party, are all cosmetic. They are all created to diminish us. But I must thank the leaders and all the organs of the party, especially the BOT, the caucuses of the National Assembly, and most importantly, my colleagues, and the NWC, because everything we are doing for the NWC. Today, I must tell the world that the NWC has collapsed all differences, all rankings. They met before this meeting. What you have been seeing in terms of press releases have stopped, and you will not see them again. And that's what the BOT chairman is telling you. We are all on the same page. No excuse to form any stakeholders meeting other than that of the NWC. We are solidly behind this NWC as governors, and we will continue to work with the conscience of the party and other organs of the party to make sure we succeed to have NEC. We will brief members of our strategy and our plan. What we know is tact, planning, not arrogance. And all undertakers have been defeated. We should go and sleep. We thank members of the media too for always being with us. Please be assured that we will not disappoint Nigerians and our team supporters. Before I sit down, I will thank our governors and especially our state chapters, the chairmen who are the body that is giving us the confidence. There is no element of wranglings in the state chapters. And so whatever is happening has not passed that formidable level. And that's why where our strength lies. We thank you, our chairman in the states, for giving the party with or without resources and making sure that we have provided the fortress that is required to keep the party intact. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. We now hear the voice of the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senate Minority Leader, Senator Prof.Mgbeke.
PDP, power to the people. Mr. Chairman of our great party, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, with the constraints of time, I beg to observe the already well-established protocol. Mr. Chairman, I bring you good tidings from the National Assembly, and to say that we in the National Assembly are very, very happy that this meeting is taking place today. We want to observe that it is very, very interesting that the various contending tendencies within the party have found some harmony, and that is the reason why we are all here today. We want to say from the National Assembly, as we said earlier, that we will disappoint our doubters by working very hard to remain very strong. And it is our hope that at the end of this meeting, that the PDP will come stronger and more competitive going forward. Thank you very much for this meeting, and hopefully this is the foundation of the good things that will come the way of PDP and the way of Nigeria going forward. Thank you very much. God bless you.
PDP, power to the people. We invite to the microphone a House of Rights, House Minority Leader, Vice President, Institution.
PDP, power to the people, power to Nigerians. Mr. Leaders, Chairman of our very erudite, strong and performing government school, Chairman of all distinguished ladies and gentlemen, from the House of Reps, let us also say that we are very happy that our party is holding this meeting today. We want to assure you that yes, we would have seen the spate of defections in the chambers, but that should not make us bother. We should know that the PDP is the mother of all parties. We have seen these things before. It's normal routine. For all those who have left us in the past, you will testify that they did not last wherever they went to. They all came back to
to join us. And so what is happening today is also not new. We are getting close to the elections. But all we need to do is, as a party, we must begin, like we said before, that is the message from House of Reps, we must begin to be more selfless and less selfish. Because as we get close to the elections, a lot will happen. But as politicians, and as the mother of politics in Nigeria, I believe and we believe that the PDP will sail through. It is a mere turbulence. You saw the PDP magic today. That magic has just started. It will continue to roll. I want to thank you and pray that the Almighty will continue to give us wisdom to pilot this party and bring the succor that Nigerians are yearning for. Thank you very much.
PDP, power to the people. Thank you very much, Right Honorable. We now get back to the right of the state chairman, Honorable Austin Marshall.
Your Excellency, our National Chairman, all excellencies here present, all party leaders here present, our board of trustees, and party faithfuls. I bring you good tidings from the forum of the chairman of the party in the 37, 36, and FCT of our country. I will stop at that. I will do the other part during the meeting proper, because it's not everything that we discuss in the public that we discuss in private. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Acting National Chairman, sir, Your Excellencies, distinguished members of NEC, we have come to the end of the first segment of NEC, 100 NEC. The National Organizing Secretary has already accredited NEC, and based on that accreditation, please, may I urge you, if you are not part of the member of NEC, to excuse the hall. Let's do this in 5 minutes so that we can get into the business of the day.